Saturday, September 25th, 2021. Let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back. Well, today I'll be seeding. I'll start on the left side, then eventually work my way to the right. But before I do that, I'll have to remove the chrysanthemums. They didn't do too well. Too much water. I don't think they do too good in the sun either. Watch how you water these things, guys. The big box stores will drench them, then you'll bring them home, water them again, then it'll rain. That's a no-no. Be careful. Also added some plant saucers to the pots, catches the water, so now the stoops can't stain. I had to repaint these too. They look good. I usually paint them twice during the summer anyway. Wasn't a big deal. I almost forgot I have to trim some brown. The salvias have been doing really well though. Really good. Afterwards, I'll plant the new mums. That's done. Really light work. Now I can remove the old mums and put in the new ones here. Again, when I got these, the store had drenched them, so I really didn't have to add water when I planted. That's okay. Moving forward, we'll know what to do. Yeah, I'm looking at the holes that they were in. Too much moisture, I think. You might even say that they're wet, and you don't want to see that. And what's this? Let's get this out of here. All right, back to normal. You know what, guys? The ones that you think are orange are actually bronze. I had orange last time, but not now. And these are white, of course. They look great. And now for the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's put down those seeds. I'll start by using the garden weasel. It helps open up the dirt and makes a bed for your seeds. You want to do this so the seeds can make contact with the soil. That's very important. Here's a better view, and it's nothing to it. It's like you're mopping. Considering that I get a lot of sun in this area, high temps, no trees, I do love the Scott Sun and Shade mix, but I decided to go with the Turf Champ Sunny Grass Seed. Just want to try something new. Again, this is what I mean when I say you want to make a bed for the seeds. It's very important that your seeds make contact with the soil. Guys, when you're doing this, don't be scared to reach into that bag, pull out the seeds, and just lay them down. There's nothing to it. You're simply covering the area that you want grass to grow in. It's nothing to it. Don't worry about making mistakes. Next, you get your rake, spread the seeds. It's easy. Anybody can do it. Don't worry about it. This is how you want it to look after you finish raking. But what I like to do afterwards is spread a few more seeds to ensure that I don't have too many spots. You want your seeds to stay moist for the next few weeks. Peat moss helps with that, and it keeps the bird mafia away too. Folks, open the bag, put some gloves on, take the peat moss out, toss it around, cover the seeds like you're making a pizza. It's nothing to it. Hopefully it looks something like this. Again, it's for your own good. Don't forget to add starter fertilizer when you put down seeds. It gives them a boost. Finished. And you just use your hand and spread them like you did the seeds. Not a whole lot though. So let's move on to this side. And it's not a trick to it. We're going to do it the same way. Open up the dirt so the seeds can make contact with the soil. Same as last time. You just take the rake, spread the seeds. It's not rocket science. I'm not saying that you have to do this or should do this. What I like to do is add another layer of seeds on top of the seeds I already put down. Let's wrap it up. I ran out of the peat moss I usually use, so I picked this up from Menards. They didn't have any of the stuff I normally get, so let's try it out, see how it works. It has more nutrients and costs a little more, but it goes down the same. That's it. Covered it all. So let's get to the final stage. This is the best part. We'll come back in 3 weeks to see the results. I'll water twice a day for 2 weeks, then once a day during the 3rd week. You know the motto: take care of your families, take care of your bodies, take care of your lawns too. Bye.